This 2026 Brinkley RV Model G 3500 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Avondale, Arizona, 85323 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Avondale. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Brinkley RV is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.